Hey, fourth graders, this is Mr. Bettis. I wanted to try something new today in math workshop, and I wanted to record a screencast to show you. So, as you can see here, I have this Word document, and I actually wrote directions for each group. So you guys should be able to click on the group, and it should scroll down to that direction. So if you saw, I clicked on group 2 and my cursor moved. If I click on group 1, the document automatically scrolls. So you'll click on whatever name applies to your group. Let me show you what group 1's directions are. So what I envision you doing today is starting the math lesson by actually looking at this document and reading through the directions and then doing those things in order. So I wanted to just try something new, give you a directions page for a few days in math, just to see if that helps you to know what things you should do in what order. And as always, feel free to let me know if you have any questions. You can write comments, or you can record your own comment on the document. All right, thanks.